Welcome back, I'm Ashley Wallinger. Well, it's August and the monsoon season is still sticking around. We saw the effects of it earlier across the fountain. They did see some power outages there earlier, but the power is back on in that area. It has cooled the temperature significantly to only 70 degrees out there right now. That's what those storms have the potential to do. They come in, they move through quickly, and they cool down the temperatures, so we see them a little bit cooler than the afternoon highs. Lows tonight will be sticking in the 60s across the I-25 corridor, 40s and 50s across the mountain areas, in the mid 60s across the eastern plains, so it should be a calm, quiet night, and we shouldn't be seeing too many of those storms into the rest of this evening. We are tracking some flash flood watches in effect for the southeastern mountains, particularly the West Fork Complex burn scar does have a flash flood watch in effect until 8 p.m. tonight. They could be seeing some rain until then, but after that point, it should be drying out into tomorrow, and we shouldn't be tracking any more flash flood watches, at least for the overnight hours. And as we move into tomorrow, it does warm up and dry out a little bit. It'll be in the 80s to 90s across the I-25 corridor, the 70s to mid 80s across the mountains, and the upper 90s to lower 100s across the eastern plains. Again, if you do see those storms move into your area tomorrow, it should cool off the temperatures a bit, so that'll be nice after these warm afternoon temperatures we'll be seeing tomorrow. And tomorrow we do see the chance for those rainstorms start to push in through the afternoon hours around 1 p.m. tomorrow. That's when we'll start to see the storms build to the west of Colorado Springs. Those will strengthen through the afternoon, and they will be strongest around the Alamosa area, so that's where we'll be seeing the most severe storms tomorrow afternoon. But again, as usual, they will push off through the evening hours. We will be seeing cloud cover through Saturday morning, and again, the storms will start to build again Saturday afternoon around 1 p.m. It'll be just to the west of Colorado Springs, and as we move into the afternoon hours, we will be tracking the potential for some flash flooding again over the Waldo Canyon and Black Forest burn scar areas. And the rainfall potential is what we'll definitely be looking at, because we do need the rain in this area, but we will be tracking it to make sure it's not too significant over a short period of time, which is what creates flash flooding conditions. We should be seeing some healthy rainfall over the next few days. We'll be seeing a few tenths of an inch of rain over the I-25 corridor. The smaller numbers will be across the mountains and across the eastern plains, but overall, most areas should be seeing some rainfall out of these next few days. And speaking of rain, Colorado Springs does see rain over the next few days. They will be cooling down into the weekend, warming back up into the early part of next week, but by the middle of next week, we also see a better chance for some rainfall and cooler temperatures only in the 70s. Pueblo does see a few drier days and some wetter days. The wettest day will be around Saturday, and Wednesday should also be another wet day. Those will also be the coolest days of the next 7. And in Teller County, they see the best chance for rain over the next 7 days for the area. They see a very significant chance for rain Saturday, so if you're in Teller County, you'll probably see a very good chance for seeing some rain in your area on Saturday. And it does cool down again into the middle part of next week, with a better chance for rainfall again Wednesday and Thursday. So overall, the monsoon season is still sticking around. We'll be tracking those storms and keeping you alert in case flash flood conditions do move into your area.